Coughs and colds are common in winter, and your pharmacy team are on hand to provide information about suitable products and advice to help ease your symptoms and keep you feeling well. However, since a new continuous cough could be a symptom of coronavirus, and because colds share many symptoms with a COVID infection, it's important to be sure that you don't have coronavirus before you visit your pharmacy. Remember, the main symptoms of COVID-19 are a new continuous cough, a high temperature, or a loss or change to your sense of smell or taste. If you or anyone in your household or support bubble has any one of these symptoms, please don't come to the pharmacy. Stay at home and self-isolate. If you develop any of these symptoms yourself, then get a test as soon as possible and stay at home with your household until you get your results. Paracetamol or ibuprofen, if suitable for you, can be used to relieve a temperature associated with COVID-19 or the flu, and can also be used to relieve any aches and pains. Get plenty of rest, keep warm, and drink plenty of water. There are plenty of other products available in the pharmacy to address other common symptoms. If you can do so, come and talk to our team who will be able to help find the right products for you.